Hello everyone, I am Dakshunija from Team Pythony. So today we are going to cover about labels attribute as well as pack attribute. If you don't know about labels and packs, you should look for our previous video. Okay, first of all, let's see what is BG. BG is background. It's an attribute. These all are attributes inside a label. Okay, BG is background color. BG is background. FG is foreground, and font sets the font, like what's the style, what is it, bold, italic, underlined, or it is what is it, size. Okay, font size. And border styling. Okay, border styling is relief. What border styling you will put on your label. For example, this there is styling over here. I cannot see any much labels over here, so I cannot explain it over here. But I'll run this app and show you what is label, what is relief, and border width. It is the width of the border. Now I think so all is done. Yes, last thing is padding, the space that's inside the element, between the element and the border. This work, this last line work, this first line work, this work is all about padding. I'll show you. Okay, what you can see is all the magic of padding. Now I'll make this padding little, little, very little, or you can say very less. 13 and 10. Okay, now you can see it does not cover whole. This is all because I have left the number of padding, and there are always two coordinates in padding, that is x and y coordinate. So you can think of that likewise. And now I have this pack attribute. First of all, I'll use this fill is equals to x. X is an constant, that is x axis or y axis you have to fill. So today there will be two homework. First is you have to try this fill. Okay, and next I'll tell you at last. Fill with y. Okay, with y. Fill with y. Okay. Now what I'll show you is this. You can see it starts filling. The color expands, the border expands as I make this longer. Okay. Now what your work is that you have to make this kind of okay, same thing, just at the bottom. I'll tell you how to do it in the bottom. Okay, now I have told you the secret. You will try it at home and send us on our email, that is startpython@gmail.com. And now I'll tell you about Anchor. Anchor is all about Anchor is it is like, you know I'll tell you, it is the direction. For example, NW is northwest and southwest, or southeast, all that. Okay, you can use it in Anchor. Stop the run. And you can see that it has shifted toward this. So as I told you, you can use of pad X and pad Y to make it in the center. Let's try it as well. Okay, I'll remove this. And uh, before that, wait, anchor and side. Wait a second. Anchor, first use anchor is equals to southwest. Now southwest will not work. Okay, simply because you have to use the side as well, that is bottom and all that. So what I will do is side. Wait a second, and before that, side is equals to you can write here bottom, bottom, bottom. Remove this. Now bottom, done. Now you will be able to see. Yes, bottom. Now done. Yes, you can see southwest in the bottom. So what it is like, if I draw that compass, north, northwest, northeast, south, and southwest and southeast over here. Okay, so you have to just make um, you just have to make this taskbar where you just have to write your name. Okay, and it should fill, and this should come in the center. And now we'll make use of pad x and pad y over here. Pad x, pad x is equals to maybe 13 or 14, whatever. Now you can see it has change it. We'll use pad y. We'll see what happens. You can see there is a difference, uh, okay, in this border, and here it has shifted. So you can, it's just all about trial and error method. So you have to use it like trial. You make your app, it's all about trial and error. So let me run. Where has it gone? Let's make it. Is it gone? Yes. Here it came. Okay. So it would be 400 over here. Done. That's all you can do for center. Now the last thing, I know this video is very big, but I think so that you should know about this as well, because here comes an exercise as well, which we will show you in the next. Okay. Now Kashish 2 is just, I'll first remove this and done. Kashish, done. Kashish, and I'll write here. Okay, is it all done? Yes. I'll use I now I will use a function that is photo image for putting an image over that. Whenever you open PyCharm, you must think that that opening thing is very beautiful. How might they have coded? That would be interesting when I will learn from this channel. But it's all about not about programmer, but about graphic designer. So here we have an app called Canva, but we haven't done any sponsoring or all that sort of thing. You can go, and here it is, Canva. Okay, you can make that thing over here as well.